Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about conjunctions. So, what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or sentences together. Think of conjunctions as glue. They connect different parts of a sentence and make our language flow smoothly. Now, let me give you some examples to make it easy for you to understand. Uh, for example, if I say, Ali and Sarah are friends. Here in the sentence, the word and connects Ali with Sarah. So, it is a conjunction. Look at another sentence. I wanted to go, but it was raining. Here in this sentence, the word but connects two sentences and shows contrast. This is also a conjunction. Third sentence, you can have tea or coffee. Here in this sentence, the word or gives a choice between two things, tea and coffee. So it is also a conjunction. Some common conjunctions are and, but, or, so, because, although, if, when, while, since, unless. So to recap, conjunctions are connecting words. They link ideas and make sentences more natural and complete. Without them, our speech would sound broken and unnatural. Now let's practice together. If I say, I like apples and oranges. So what is the conjunction here? Yes, you're right. And is a conjunction here because it is connecting one sentence to a word. I like apples is a sentence and orange is a word and is connecting that sentence to that word. Second sentence, if I say, I will call you when I arrive. Now what is the conjunction here? That's great. When is the conjunction here which is connecting one independent clause I will call you with a dependent clause when I arrive. If you want to watch my video on independent and dependent clause, so click on that I button and go there. So that's all for today's lesson on conjunction. I hope you found it easy and clear. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more simple English lessons. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.